Hi, I'm Christian, aka Snakebird, and welcome to my channel. Numbers define who we are, so you should hit that subscribe button to help me feel better about myself. My lifelong dream is to surpass ninjaydes in subscribers, so you should really hit that button to help me out. Please enjoy the video, and remember, bigger number, better person.
Hello, welcome.
Oh yeah, I thought you were saying goodbye. Hello. Fighting Swank for the 4th time. With his absurdly large tongue.
Master, I'm lending you a hand from here on out.
Okay, now we get
this
it.
is
When
Yeah.
you're in a pinch.
Huh? Assist?
It's the rule of the mystery labyrinth to assist whoever you're accompanying.
we need
Let's
to-
go,
Yeah.
Master. Looks like you might not need assist.
Usable when the
after
recovery
all,
gauge is at
Master.
max.
This could be the clincher.
Mr. Finish statement won't inflict any damage. Okay. So it just gives you time to look.
Yes.
Apex
Ooh,
corpse,
all
Zanj
of it.
corpse. Wait, hold up. Zanj corpse.
It has to be Apex.
Apexes,
'cause
yes.
It's unrecognizable.
Oh, I didn't do it enough. What?
Not that one.
I know, but I'm like, why would that be it?
Think he swapped with a corpse? It'd be impossible to switch like that. Someone who can replace Zilch would need to be the same size as him.
Oh, what, now we're talking about clothes?
Ooh.
He didn't have a bag that could carry a corpse.
What?
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 Wait,
What does that
hold
would
up.
mean?
Bag that can carry a corpse?
Let's read them all.
No, it just says the Pucci's corpse.
Okay. Stab wound. Burnt to a crisp.
Okay, no, I don't think it's this one. I just don't think it's that
Yeah, it
one.
has to be Apex.
It would have been down at the station. It'd be impossible to get it on board.
I think we'll just read everything.
There was no corpse to replace anyway.
I think it's this one. Because Apex's corpse is like the same one.
So since we're not full health, we can't use her
There's no
ability.
need to
I don't
bring
know.
an extra corpse for the swap. He just needed to reuse a dead body on the train.
That's my intuition speaking here.
It's Apex's body from the 5th car.
Knew it.
He and Zilch are nearly the same height, and both have stab wounds in their chests.
So Zilch died
So
after,
the corpse
basically.
that was switched was Apex's.
Damn it! How could someone like you find the truth?
So this is just a game about like people trying to gatekeep.
What do you?
He's trying to gatekeep us from the truth.
Oh, so he actually exposed now. Whoa.
That was it.
I think
First,
so.
first guess. Then we get like a ladder to heaven.
He looks completely obliterated.
Now we don't have to fight anymore.
Even if that's true, don't let your guard down. Mystery labyrinth.
Oh, of course.
Something
Good
else is
sign.
gonna happen.
Stay alert until the very end.
All right.
Well, I guess we're not done.
Just climb up the
Wow.
ladder.
Yeah, climb
Who
and
would've
talk.
thought that short-tempered idiot would be used for a body swap.
Thinking back, the reason the corpses in the 1st and 5th cars were burnt was to switch them out. But the corpse was so badly burned that I couldn't tell it was Apex. That must be what the necklace was for, so I could
Yeah, I
identify
knew it. I knew that wasn't Apex's corpse in the last one.
No, I think it is his corpse.
Reusing a corpse
No, it was-
is rather
Apex's corpse was in the first car.
environmentally friendly of the
And then
culprit,
he
don't you
reused
think?
it in the last car.
Totally
Oh,
went
really?
green. I mean,
so.
we gotta recycle everything in our day and age.
Is that what you're saying? I guess so.
Hmm.
How'd they get it back there?
Mm,
Animals? Pterodactyls?
Maybe that the power outage thing, and then he just like
What, he just-
went past it.
You just ran past us with the corpse? With the burnt
Mhm.
corpse?
Yeah.
I guess so. Must be the truth. Train reenactment?
More train. I want to see them reenacted.
Oh wait, I thought this was the real world for a second. I forgot.
It is. Oh. It's
No,
not.
no. It's...
Zilch?
Oh.
Wait, I am not the culprit. I am a victim who was already killed.
Is he?
So, leave me alone!
Hey, he ran away! After him,
Oh,
man!
yeah.
Confusing.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot's happened in the last hour, huh?
You set the body in the first car's infirmary.
Come back,
wasn't
Zilch.
you? But Aphex? But you went to car 5 after car 1 and discovered his corpse
There's so many
there.
like random cool animations
How
in
was
this
the
game.
corpse transported from car 1 to car 5? That'd require moving past you.
Oh. Or maybe they switched it.
That's right,
And
Ib.
it went the opposite way. And
What do you
then
mean?
That happened.
No, that
Wait.
doesn't make sense either.
Wait, what? Explain that. I'm not moving until you explain that.
No, because car 1 and car 5 are the same, but we didn't see the number in car 5, so
Yeah.
it was car 1. But then that doesn't make sense either, because then he would have had to gone past like 2, 3, and 4, but they were in the right order, so.
So true.
Oh well, we'll see.
Where is he going now? Is he committing suicide? The light of day?
So you get to see these people. I actually didn't think I thought we would be seeing them for like the rest of the game.
Well, we're seeing them now.
But they did.
Wait, there's a face on the train.
Yeah.
Tenari Ward?
Wow, that's pretty. Oh.
There's been so many scenario switches in the last like 50 minutes. Oh no. Left or right? It's all
More
the-
choices.
Oh.
Where did he run off to?
Another mystery.
Okay,
that
I thought we had to do
needs
it
be solved.
backwards. I was
Yeah,
gonna be like,
I
nah, there's no
know.
way.
Not, right?
No, there's no way. You have to go, Oh wait, I can't even change it. Sorry. It has to be this way, right?
Yeah,
Yo,
not.
you have anything to tell me?
That
He must have used pterodactyls.
one.
If he'd gone outside the train instead of through it, he could have passed us.
Outside.
No, that's impossible.
Back.
Impossible.
Hello.
Impossible.
Oh, is he turning into like a monster to fight now? No, a furry monster?
Impossible.
I can't believe it's actually
Impossible.
Zilch.
Impossible. Impossible.
Oh my god, he has an evolved furry form, mega furry.
Whoa.
No way, he has a furry form. I actually did not expect it to be this guy.
Wait, is it actually him?
Well, actually I don't know if it's him, but like,
What,
because I guess Swank is not a culprit, but he has a mystery phantom.
Yeah.
And so this Zilch also has a mystery phantom.
Yeah.
So you know, my gold mine theory is still alive and well.
I mean, it's never wrong until the end.
So it truly isn't. Because like this woman hasn't used her power once for whatever her corpse power, so it had to have been used somewhere. It had to be gold mine. But the mystery phantom is Zilch, so.
It is. Interesting.
Alright, fifth
It's so funny. I thought we were done like 3 times.
one. Blackout and shaking cushion with hole. Okay. Oh, okay, wait. Blackout and shaking. There's blanket, blackout, blanket, and a shaking when the train car entered the tunnel.
There's another shaking when the train
Exited the tunnel. Also, when was the last time we ended? Was it just recently?
I think we can end after this one.
Okay, wait. And shaking. Okay, well, it has to be this one.
Yeah.
They didn't pass through the train.
Whoa.
The corpse was brought in from outside. The
Possible.
windows are all locked shut.
Windows are all locked up. Okay.
The door's locked when the train is moving. We know the train never stopped once. If the windows and doors are shut, there's no way to get out while the train is moving.
Oh,
No issues occur during
I don't
the
know why-
train's operation.
train's operation?
Oh,
Even
okay.
if
Was that one?
you could get out, a body
Oh, that was it. That was the
can't
one.
get
That was the one we needed. Because it's the blackout.
Yeah. But it's okay. It's good to just look through everything too.
Yeah. Oh wow, we actually have to do it. Whoa.
The windows are all locked shut. The door's locked when the train is moving. We know the train never stopped once. If the windows and doors are shut,
shut.
Oh.
There's no way to get out.
Speed
while the
run.
How do you play it when you just leave
No
it?
issues occur during the train's operation.
Oh yeah?
How does his question go
That's a real gamer move.
It's spiky.
It turns to an exclamation.
No, it's still a question mark. It's
No,
just spiky.
there was
Oh, really?
something strange.
This one's a
The blackout and shaking that happened when I was in car 2 and car 4. When the blackout occurred and the shaking started, I'm certain something else happened in the train.
Yeah.
Maybe it has something to do with the mystery of the moving corpse.
Don't be stupid. So what if there was a little blackout and some gentle sway?
Yeah, I thought the eye glowing thing was weird. Now I'm kind of liking it.
The eyelash thing?
No, this one though. This like glowing. I guess I don't know. It's not really his eyelash,
Forget the
but
shaking and the
Just around
blackout.
the eye.
They
Oh, we should look at
what
the
coincidences.
oh yeah.
The blackout was
Oh, it has to be that one.
Bloodless blanket. Backup control system was operating because the main control system failed. Okay. Okay.
It's just a
So
bad
it's either
contact.
the plate or the...
Okay. Blackout was just
The
a bad
shaking was the
contact.
tunnel air pressure.
We'll keep that
There's
in mind.
nothing odd about
Yeah, you keep that in mind. All right.
It's all just a coincidence. It's impossible to include that in a criminal plot.
So there's only one. Oh, I don't know.
What is it? Blackout is a what?
The blackout.
Forget the shaking.
Oh my lord. No, it's this one.
Shaking and the
think.
blackout.
It was like a
They
bad
were nothing but
something.
coincidence.
Blackout was bad.
The blackout was just a bad contact.
Contact.
Okay. There we go. Just too good. Because of the backup control
What does
system.
bad contact mean?
Well, I don't know. They're saying the blackout was because of something, but the blackout was because of like because the main control system was off. So is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It was due to the main control system failing
Yeah, that's what
and switching to the
he says it way
backup
better than I do.
control
Automatically manages the electricity within the train. Main control system fails, it switches to the backup system after 1 second. So that's the
Blackout
the
occurred
system
during
switching.
that 1 second when the system switched over.
That's right, Zilch. Now we fight the train.
Hey, he ran away. Fleeing phantom is a bad phantom.
All right, round 6. After we
Such
investigate.
a thing as a good phantom?
So,
After him. You gotta keep solving the mystery and prove kill that mystery
Oh wait, it's
phantom.
actually just the final one. Okay, let's go.
oh, she's pulling us again.
Yeah, the tether in a 2-player game. Next episode, you'll see what happens.